Hello, my name's Becky. I work in Inspired Bathrooms and Plum Centre. I hope everyone is well and safe, obviously due to the coronavirus outbreak. Hope you've all got your hand sanitizer ready. So, at the moment, everybody is going through the same problem of going into shops and not being able to get one of these, which is causing a problem in shops with arguments and everything else. So we, as a bathroom shop, have come up with a solution, which is the complete douche kit. So in this kit, you'll get a thermostat, which is adjustable. You'll get an outlet lever. You'll also get a hose pipe, and you'll get a spray head. So with this kit, obviously I'm a woman, so I wouldn't really be doing this myself, but it is very easy to install. It's quite simple, so I'm going to briefly show you how to install this piece of equipment. So first off, you'll get your thermostat. If you get a plumber to do this, or you decide to do this yourself, you'll get two 15mm tees, which will come off of your already existing water feed from your water pipes. So they'll come like this on the bottom. You'll then get a tap connector, one for the hot and one for the cold. So you'll attach these to either side. This will allow the water to come from these two off your original water feed into your thermostat. You'll then get another tap connector, which will connect to the bottom of the thermostat as an outlet. This then goes from this, you'll get your outlet lever, which on the back of this outlet lever has this on the back of it, which will also need another tap connector. I can do it. So it will look like that. This is all you'll be able to see, as this will be behind your toilet in a vanity unit, unless you do want it on show. So with this controlling your heat, the water will come out of this pipe into another pipe and will connect to the back of this pipe. This then, you'll get your shower hose, turn it around the right way, and you'll connect this to the bottom of your lever, which then allows the water to pass from there through to the hose. You'll then get the other end of the hose, put it on your spray head, like that, and make sure it's all tight. You'll then be able to put this in here so it's one complete system. So to release this, you just put it out, and then the lever controls the water pressure, so you can have as much pressure as you want. You then have your spray head, which you just click this button and it will release the water from the head. So that will be all together, like so. Thank you.